Hello guys, and welcome in today's episode. So, the fifth day of works. Let's say not much is going on, but from what I've seen, the work has been done today further on the living room. On the upper part, it's still wet. And here where the electrical wires are, the new ones. On this side also. And here the furniture has been moved to most probably there as well, to at least to have the wall as dried out as possible. But yeah, let's say today it's nothing much going on, but here I can see that all the other standoff has been removed as well from the old spot of the radiator. Here I won't put it again. I will replace the already new aluminium radiators that I've purchased last year with a wider one from aluminium as well, but in order to be enough, more than enough for this room, and to occupy only this part beneath the window. All the time when the radiator was here, I was worried about hitting it or the plumbing. And it's really fine. It's so nice. And here also, so all the old mounts of the radiators are gone, and also these pipes will be remade in such a way to have the radiator lifted at least, let's say, 10 centimeters from the base of the wooden floor. Somebody told me that there should be at least 15 centimeters, even 20 centimeters from the floor up, but yeah, I really want to have as large radiators as possible, but to be able to vacuum clean the room without worrying I will hit anything. This was pretty much it for the weekend, for the end of this week. So it's Friday. Next week the worker will start with the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a pleasant weekend ahead. Try to relax also, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.